Hi, my name is Dr. Benjamin J. Klein. I am Associate Professor of Speech and Communication at Western New Mexico University, and I will be your instructor for COMM 1130, Public Speaking. If you need to get a hold of me, this is my office here. Right now, we're not supposed to let students into our offices, but if you come knock at the door, there's a really nice patio area outside the building. We'll go talk there. So that's fine. My office hours are 1 to 1:30, or if you arrange it with me, I can set up a Zoom with you or something like that. Or you know what? You can call me. Calling is fine too. We can meet somewhere outside. That's fine. Things are different right now, right? During this pandemic. I actually have a video on our Canvas page that I'll want you to watch about teaching during a pandemic. And after that will be, or then it will actually come immediately after this video you're watching now when I've changed your class. But I can't put my video that you're watching now up here to demonstrate for you. Anyway, so that's what's going on. But yeah, I'll be putting that on there. But also, it's kind of this teaching during a pandemic. One of the big things are my expectations regarding Zoom, which I'm not going to get into now because I get into it on that other video. Uh, we are going to have class. We're going to have class both at the time and place that's on your schedule or via Zoom. Either one of those are okay. You can attend via Zoom or you can attend face to face. Both are completely allowed. It'll have to be for the first 2 weeks of class. It'll have to be Zoom only. And there's going to be a time in March where I've got to go up to Colorado for an event, and then I think we're going to have to, if I unless I'm vaccinated by then, I don't know how that's rolling out. Then we'll have to probably do 2 weeks where it's Zoom only too, and you don't have the face to face. And I'm sorry about that, but honestly, the pandemic isn't my fault. So I'm sorry. It's not your fault either. And I know that there are things about this semester that'll be challenging for us because of it. So we'll work all that out. It's just kind of the way things go. You will have assignments in this course. You will have quizzes, tons of them. That's weird. Why is the show and tell speech under? Oh, it doesn't have them sorted for the student view. That's okay. I think if I go into modules, it starts. Anyway, you'll have quizzes. You'll have lots of show by type. That's what I want. Lots of quizzes. More than one a week until we get to the end, and then they slowly peter out as we work on other things. In addition to the quizzes, you'll also have 3 speeches. Show and tell speech that's due coming up right away, February 10th. If you don't think that's right away, it is. And a policy speech where you'll talk about a policy. It's coming up right away, actually, after that, March 15th. And then right away after that, you have a teaching speech. Between the policy speech and the teaching speech, you will also start working on a group project, which you will present at the Academic Research Symposium. And all of that will be great. So those are our basic assignments for the course. It's a good idea also to know the policies for the course. The policies for the course are things like, I have rules about not cheating. I have rules about coming to class. I have rules about children and animals in the classroom. I have rules about civil discourse. I have rules about if you need some kind of extra something. I have rules about what we say in the classroom doesn't need to go outside of it. I have rules about what you turn in late. For the most part, I don't accept late work, but if I do get anything late and I decide to accept it, I will not grade it until after the class closes. So that means you won't know your final grade for the class until the class closes, until you actually get your final grades from the registrar. So that's kind of, if you're going to turn it in late, then I'm going to grade it whenever I feel like it. It's kind of my rule there. Professionalism, scholarly communication, the use of technology. One thing I have on here is weather. And I say we have class unless the university is closed. But, I was thinking about this with Zoom right now. I don't know that the university will close, right? Or that we'll have to cancel classes. Classes will just meet by Zoom because that's just the way things have changed. So, anyway, those are our expectations and policies. Those are our assignments. That's who I am. Uh, if you have anything else you want to talk to me about, talk to me during our first Zoom class coming up this week. Talk to me about our first Zoom class and and I'll explain anything more. We'll kind of go over this a great deal more that first day of class, okay? So I'll see you all then. Bye.